Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Gala video update for Sunday 24th of April. And yeah, the time is ticking, we are setting the tick on the bomb on the clock, sorry. And the thing is that, I just wanted to bring in this update, and it's a very, very important update because we've seen Gala not doing anything in this space for quite a long time right now. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to remove all the drawings and walk you through what's going on with Gala at this point of time. So right off the bat, it seems like a very good investing opportunity for Gala itself. Now, in this very, very small time frame, if I try to zoom in here on the daily, it seems like you are forming some sort of a falling wedge. Do you see that? A little bit of a falling wedge is taking place. So here we are, and this is how it looks like. I'm just going to drop the line right over there and this line right over here. So you're really reaching the apex very, very soon. Until within the next 2-3 days, you're going to actually have a little my own personal pick though is that Gala breaks out of this place and it starts to go to the upside to the 0.20631, right? So if it does come a little bit down up here, that could be a nice, good, lovely pump of nearly 9 to 10% trade, which is amazing, which is absolutely amazing. 10% trade, beautiful. Okay, now that is out of the way, and I'm going to actually remove it. And keep one thing in mind, it's all about breaking to the upside. You can even invalidate the falling wedge, so you might want to put a stop loss maybe here at the 18090, and from here you start to pick to the downside as well. But I do expect a little bit of a pump from here to go to the upside. Of course, if Bitcoin behaves, we're going to go to the upside. It's all on Bitcoin right now. All right, so let me go back to the first drawings that I did have, this one right over here. And I just want to talk about the overview and the bigger picture instead of the small time frames and the near time frames right now, and bringing in the RSI as well. So the RSI is actually maybe on the floor. You can put a fact that it's on the floor right now. So what I'm going to do is actually draw this resistance line right over here for the RSI and the resistance line for Gala as well. So you can see if I just bring it like this, it's some sort of a symmetrical triangle up here on the RSI. So it actually dates, you can mark on your calendar 10th of May, because 10th of May is your decision time. You can actually pop to the downside as well. But why would you pop to the downside when you're already oversold this much? It doesn't make sense to me. There's a possibility you start to pop to the upside, because the last time even here you popped to the upside as well. But anyway, that's the RSI. And now let's talk about the chart itself. Okay, now let's minimize the RSI and let's bring in the chart. So here we are, and you can already see this is a trend line I drew that actually took place from 25th of November all the way down until today, this year in nearly May, April. It's been a lot of months right now, 6-7 months already. So it has already cooled off, and we are reaching the end of the apex, and this apex actually is by 19th of May, but 10th of May is the date on the RSI. So maybe by 10th of May, because you are going to reach the end of the apex right over here by next month, and we're going to have a proper answer, or we either go to the downside or we either go to the upside. I'm going to tell you the both scenarios because it's important, because right now it's undecisive at best. So if you start to break to the upside, the only meaningful support you're going to have is right over here at this place, this one right here at the 0.07333. That's where you're going to have the meaningful support once again, and the best place to buy and potentially start to move from here to the upside. The second thing that you're going to see is a break to the upside, which is what you want, what I need as well. So you do have a little bit of a falling wedge. This falling wedge can take you up again to this resistance right there, and then that resistance, either you break up with a huge volume and you start to break up for good and you go to the upside, and the RSI as well breaks to the upside. That will be amazing. It breaks to the upside, comes back for the retest, and then boom, you shoot to the moon. So that's it for today's Gala video update. Hope you enjoyed this one. It's a very quick update, but just straight to the point, no big fancy stories, and if you want to learn more about trading the way I did, you can actually take my trading course, which is 18 hours of contents. The price is $49, but if you want to get $20 off, come to the Discord, click on the announcement, click on my name, and message me on the Discord, and you can pay with crypto for 29 bucks, and hopefully this is going to help you big time in the future. So that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.